Alright, we're back to our old friend, Mo Mummy. Look at this view behind us. Durango does it right. Nice to see outside in the casino. Glass windows. Okay. 200 in. Volume up. The wild in the middle would have been a lot better. Oh, that's a good one. Do that one. Aha. That was like $200 million right there almost. That's a lot of boats. Mr. Mummy. Nope. Oh, come on. Last one at the top. Oh, all three. That was a good time. I mean, that's the dream. Triple pop did not happen. Let's go over here to come on, drop it in there. Just like the last one. Last reel. Big one. Oh, there was a good one that was in there too. Mr. Mummy. Okay, you can redo it here. Here. Boom. That was almost something to get excited for. It was not the right one. I wonder if that means he wants us to bet a little bit higher. Do it? No. It's getting wild in here. Come on. Nothing fun is happening here. Come on. Oh, big ones. Oh, that was a good time to do it. One more. Oh yeah, I mean on the cash collect, I guess. But you could have done double pop. Do it. Come on. Oh, how much was that? 75 million? You can do it. You can do it. Might need a reload here. Okay, might have to go back for some more. Okay, so like I said, just smaller denoms. Let's see. One of our old tickets. It's not reacting to anything we're doing. Well, now? Okay, one more? Okay, let's win our money back. That's good, yeah, 3 is fine. Yeah, I just like, if you get more, maybe. Okay, we need something to happen here though, because... Okay, Mr. Mummy. Come on, we can get the green one in here too. Green one. Come on, do it again. Top, yes, okay, that's good. We got extra free games, right? 6 more or what? Let's see if it actually does anything. 6 additional, okay. We need to get the green ones in this mode. Let's go again. Double, triple. Free games are only as good as what they actually line up to be, so. Oh, come on, do it in here. A big green one. Big green one. Big green on the last reel. Oh, haha. That's what we wanted. We wanted that. That's the one you get like the big situation on. So where were you? Where were you last time? Where were you last time? Pop now? Oh, okay. Hello? This one. Oh, that's a lot of wilds. Oh, one more. Okay, 4 more. We need a cash collect in here. Okay, you can do that again, I guess, too. Pop the cash collect. Pop it, please. Oh, it's going so fast when I'm not touching anything. I don't know why it goes so fast the other time I'm not pushing anything, and it goes so slow when this is going on. Please, the last one. Drop a big one. No, green. 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 Mr. Mummy, this is so lame. 10x bonus, or 12x, whatever it is. Yay. Yeah, that sound at the end was super appropriate. Fizzled out. Oh, here we go. Here's a respin. Which one is it now? Oh, it's the wild bonus. Oh, is it both? Is it both? Is it? Oh, it's just the jackpot one, I think. I almost thought it was both. Grand. Come on, Mini. My favorite Mini. My favorite, the Mini, yeah. Please, Mini. 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 Grand. Yeah, that's fine too. Oh, yes, my favorite. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you for that $10. Thank you for that $10. Oh, slow clap. No one likes you. I thought it was gonna be both, maybe. I mean, the cash collect looks like it's ready to kind of blow. Come on, where were you like every other time? Oh, free games. Come on, you gotta show up now. Show up the grand. I wanna be greedy now. I think it's coming now. Not that one. That's the one I didn't want. Oh, God. How many times does he just keep showing up? Do you think we should move to the next one? This one's fine. There's kind of a massive glare here for me and my friends. That's the thing. Man, that... We were one away from the grand, but it was never not going to be the mini, that's for sure. Come on. Okay, I want a big one now, too. I want to be greedy. Big one, too. Another big one. At least we got it. Big. Let's get some humongous ones, sir. Okay, rank 225. Rah. Okay, come on. We don't want that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he is mean. We just had to talk. We just had to talk. He understands the mission at hand. Oh, the mini, my favorite. We didn't get it. We have to get 2 on 1 now. 2, 1, right? Oh, yeah, 2 on 1. Please, Mr. Mummy. Please do it. 2. You big mean man. The little mean man, because he stayed at 2 by 2. He is. So many tiny baby bonuses. Back to back. Oh, that's a huge one. Oh, imagine that was the one to hit, the $180. Oh, again, pop it. You can do it back to back, right? I've seen some people get huge ones back to back. Huh? Yeah, same. Just growing. The bonus round was so like blah, and then like that cash collect. There's 2 that were peeking down from there. Come on, the sun is shining. We're ready to win. Yes. No. Yes and no. More no than yes. But no, that's still a no. I won't even pan up. Okay, maybe I will. Do it. We want the mini again. We want that beautiful $10 mini. Thinking, what should we do? 2 $7 bets, or 5? I guess $3.75 is smarter, right? What do you guys say? 2 big bets, or see if we can bank it off with a few more chances. Smaller bet though. I mean, it's reacting at 1 cent, so. No and no. We have. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna pull out cash right now. Cash collect? Nope. So sad. So sad, Mr. Mummy. He didn't cooperate well. Maybe we'll come back in a little bit. Bye for now.